Here we demonstrate opening and starting a push-button start Hyundai Genesis built before 2014 with a dead key fob battery. We had a request for this video and we have yet to get our hands on one, but it will work exactly like other Kias and Hyundais we have seen over the years, and we'll use them as analogs. If you have a newer Genesis with a hidden keyhole, you'll need the video at the address shown below to get in. To get inside this vehicle, we will first need the mechanical key hiding in the fob. Look for the release button on the face of the key fob. Press and hold the button and pull the key ring, removing the mechanical key. Insert the key in the key cylinder at the back of the driver's door handle and turn, and you're in. Note now that if you do not have any interior lights or other electronics, the car's main start battery is likely dead and you'll need roadside assistance. But it won't hurt to give the following a try. An attempt to start the car fails. To get it started, we'll need to find a slot like the one shown. It is hiding behind a cover just above the shifter. Push the cover to open it. Insert the fob into the now exposed slot until it clicks, as we did in this Sonata. Press the start-stop button while stepping on the brake as normal. The car will recognize the fob, even though its internal battery is dead. If you don't see this slot, you are in an updated Genesis, and you will simply need to press the start-stop button with the key fob itself while stepping on the brake. Once again, the car will recognize the fob, even though the fob's internal battery is dead. And that's it. You'll be underway. Don't forget to get new batteries for your fobs. For help with other keyless or push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.